eyelashes I have, I know they're bad, and you know, puberty hits you and you look like a Dalmatian. Maybe a cute one though, but like still. Hi guys, so for today's video I am doing a makeup tutorial, like a makeup look for beginners. And when I first started makeup, I didn't do like contour and like, you know, like all those like heavy, like cakey, not cakey, but like, you know, like more harder looks, like makeup routine. And I tried to find an easy and, you know, beginner like makeup, which I cannot find, and it was hard for me to find. And I don't know, I just feel like just going back memory lane, not memory lane, like going back a few years, I don't know, like just do a makeup look that is suitable for like beginner, or like just quick and easy makeup look. And I don't know, like not a lot of YouTubers are doing like easy makeup look and beginner friendly makeup look, and just doing like these complex makeup look, which not a lot of people can do, and you know, like younger people can do. And I just want to bring it back, I don't know, like beginner makeup look, you know, like not everyone is doing that, and I just want to do that. So if you want to see like a very quick and easy makeup look, or like for someone that just started doing makeup, or you know, just want a quick and easy makeup look,
so I'm using this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea to spray my face and be refreshed and, you know, cool. I don't know, like cool, like cold. Now I'm using this NYX BB cream, but you could use any BB cream, and I think that's really good for like a beginner, you know, like just light coverage, you know. Now I'm using the good old age rewind from Maybelline, which is an old classic that everyone used, and yeah, I don't know, I just like it and I still have it, so just use that or any concealer that you have. Yeah. Now I'm using this Mecca Max pressed powder that's translucent, and this one is only available in Australia, but you could just use any, I don't know, pressed powder that you have, and it's better to have pressed powder so it's like clean and it's quick. So now I'm using this Essence blush, and Essence is such like an affordable and cheap makeup brand that's good for beginners. And yeah, I bought that when I first started makeup and I'm still using it. It's just good, and yay. I personally haven't found the perfect bronzer for me, but right now I'm using the Wet n Wild one and I think it's pretty good, and yeah, it just makes me look skinnier and more tanned. And I also use the bronzer as an eyeshadow for like a natural eyeshadow, I guess, and it's pretty easy. So, and I also put that as a nose contour. When I first started doing makeup, I just used eyebrow pencil for my brows, and I think that's perfectly fine since you're just starting out in makeup, and yeah, I think that's pretty fine. So I'll just use this one. Now I'm just gonna put this highlight on, and make sure you get the right shade for highlight, because when I first use highlight I get shades that's too light or too dark and it just makes you look grey, and yeah, it's not good, but yeah, I don't know. And I also put it on my inner corner, and you could even use that for an eyeshadow as well. Now I'm using the old classic Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline, which everyone probably had, and curling your lashes, I never used to do it, but it actually makes a lot of difference, but you don't really have to do this, especially when you're a beginner, and yeah. For lips, you can put whatever you want, I don't really care, but lip gloss or lip balm is good for beginners, but you can put lipstick, I don't really care, like just put whatever, like it will look fine, but yeah.